Do you know that COVID-19 will never go away? On 14 May, WHO announced that COVID-19 will never end, and we may have to learn how to live with it for the rest of our life. Wait, what? I thought they are working on vaccines. Yes, they are. But vaccines are not that easy to create, especially to treat viruses like this. Despite this, the big question remains the same. When will this pandemic end? To answer this question, we need to understand how the WVs work. Viruses are super duper small. In scale, they are 100 times smaller than bacteria. But unlike bacteria, they can't reproduce by themselves. This makes things harder for our immune system to target the virus. Because in order to attack the virus, the white blood cells has to destroy our own infected cells. Then, how do people recover from COVID-19? Just like how you recover from a flu. Like many viruses, coronavirus also has membrane protein, envelope protein, spike protein, and RNA, which is the brain of the virus. All of these are held together by a lipid membrane. The virus enters a cell by using spike proteins as a key to unlock the lock of the cell. By trial and error, our immune system will identify the spike protein and creates fake locks called antibodies. Antibodies will lock the spike proteins before they unlock any other cells. If this is successful, antibodies will send signals to white blood cells to destroy the virus. This process could take days, weeks, or even months depending on how healthy and strong your immune system is. Now this leads to our second point, vaccines. Vaccine is often made from weakened or inactive viruses. And this vaccine is injected into our bodies to introduce new criminals. But don't worry, the viruses in vaccine are weak, harmless, inactive, dead. You get the point. When the real infection comes in the future, our body is prepared to take down the pathogens. Simple, right? So we just need antibodies from the recovered COVID-19 patients and create more of them in the lab to supply it to the whole world. No, you know why? If you want to know why, hit the like button and subscribe button now. The actual reason is, every time a virus reproduces, there are possibilities for mutation to occur. Yep, just how we see in the Marvel and DC movies. Until now, at this time I'm recording this video, coronavirus has been already mutated for about at least 30 strands. And there are some mutations that cause this virus to spread 270 times faster than a normal coronavirus does. So even if we are able to produce a vaccine for coronavirus mutant 1, which takes about 18 months, we have another 29 mutants to go. By the time we study the genome of the viruses and produce vaccine for all 30 mutants, we might have another hundreds of mutants ready to attack. This is exactly why a recovered COVID-19 patient can be reinfected by the COVID-19 again. So what causes the virus to mutate so fast? You. Yes, in fact, all of us. When we neglect the importance of social distancing, washing our hands, and indirectly expose ourselves to COVID-19, we promote the reproduction of coronavirus, hence creating more possibilities for mutation. So there is no way to get through this pandemic? Well, the answer is in our hands, literally and metaphorically. If you, my friends, have any knowledge or opinion about this topic, leave at the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. And it's always, keep discovering. But Unlike like them, I'm so sane. As a key to unlock the lock of the cell. Simple, right? Simple, right? Simple, right? Simple, right? Simple, right?